In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check activity on Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, understanding how to keep track of your activities is crucial for managing your workflow efficiently. So, let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly monitor and manage your tasks in Salesforce. To begin, the first thing you need to do is locate the app launcher, which you'll recognize as the icon with 9 dots. You'll see them arranged as 3 rows of 3, forming a square. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've opened the app launcher, a search bar will appear, offering you a streamlined way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through endless options. In this case, type in tasks and select it from the search results that come up. This simple action will take you directly to a comprehensive list view of all your tasks. Now that you're on the Tasks page, you'll have a complete overview of all your activities. This is where you can manage your work more effectively, and Salesforce offers some handy tools to help you do just that. Look for the drop-down menu at the top of the list view. This menu is your key to filtering tasks, enabling you to focus on exactly what's relevant to you. Let's walk through the different filtering options available. First, there's My Tasks, which displays tasks that are specifically assigned to you. This is your personal to-do list, a quick way to check what requires your attention without distractions. If you've ever found yourself wondering what you should prioritize, this filter is the way to go. Moving on, we have Delegated Tasks. This option is particularly useful if you've assigned tasks to others but still want to keep track of their progress. It provides you with a transparent view of what you've assigned, helping you ensure everything is on track. There are also options like Completed Tasks, which show all the tasks that you or your team have finished. Reviewing completed tasks can be a great way to acknowledge the progress made and also to see past activity for reporting purposes. And there you have it. You've just learned a straightforward process to monitor and manage your tasks effectively within Salesforce. By utilizing these filters, you will have all you need to stay organized and efficient in your day-to-day operations. Keeping track of activities not only boosts productivity, but also provides insights into important trends and patterns within your workflow. I hope you found this guide useful and now feel more empowered to navigate Salesforce more proficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.